In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Instagram profile picture using Canva. This process is quick, simple, and by the end, you'll be equipped with a polished and professional-looking photo, ready to impress your followers. Let's dive right in, shall we? First, you'll need to open Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an incredibly user-friendly and versatile design tool that you can access directly through your web browser or by downloading the app. Once you're in, you'll need to create a new design. Head over to the homepage and click on Create a Design. Select Custom Size and enter 1080 by 1080 pixels. This size is perfect, as it maintains the quality of your picture when viewed on mobile devices. With your workspace ready, click on the Uploads button located on the left-hand side. Here, you'll upload your current Instagram profile picture, the one you'd like to enhance. Once it's uploaded, simply drag your image onto the blank canvas. This action will position your image right where you want it, and you can begin to work your magic. Now, it's time to focus on the most important part of your picture, the subject. Use Canva's crop tool to zero in on your face or any main subject in your photo. Cropping ensures that your profile picture looks neat and that the focal point is clear, drawing your viewer's attention to the intended subject. Once you've cropped the image to your satisfaction, select your photo and click on Edit Image. This is where the creative fun begins. Explore the variety of filters available to give your photo a distinct style. You can go for something subtle or bold, depending on the mood you want to convey. As you customize, don't forget to tweak the brightness, contrast, and saturation settings. Adjusting these can really make your image pop. Brightness modification can help illuminate your face, contrast can define it sharper, and saturation can bring vividness to the colors. Once you've achieved a look that you like, a crucial step is to zoom out. This will help you see how your edited photo appears in a smaller size, which is a smart way to ensure it looks great on Instagram's profile grid. Finally, when you're satisfied with your design, it's time to save your work. Click on the Download button at the top right corner and choose PNG as your format. PNG files provide a high-quality image output perfect for social media use, ensuring your profile picture remains sharp and vibrant. And that's it. You're done. Editing your Instagram profile picture in Canva is an easy and efficient way to make sure your first impression on the platform is unforgettable. Thank you for following along and happy editing.